Hello, we're doing this again. So, I think we're gonna be doing this one, and I'm going to be showing you how I did it. Put you aside. Let's get our stuff prepared. I'm gonna show you what you need to use. Oh yes, I fixed her. Take me back. I add this, so then it doesn't slip off my hand. Stop eating the camera. Oh yeah, that's snacks. Snacks. Okay, here's snacks. Oh, we still have those for each other. Anyways, okay, so we're gonna need papers. Just a little stack. Some nice, this color, I guess. This. Let's go with this. You're gonna need a ton of it. You're gonna need a couple of flowers. You need chains. Right? Okay, you have chains. Okay, so I have this thing. Oh my god, it's tangled. Okay. Wait, you're okay? This, I might try using it on our next one. That's gonna be our next one. Yeah, sketched out a couple of designs. So first, we're gonna do this leaf dragon creature with reindeer horns. Terrible at recording. Ah, now get off my flowers! Get off my flowers! Meow! Get off the flowers! So watch this struggle. Okay, what? Put your dot down for a sec. Okay, I have it untangled. Anyways, back to this. You need chain, scissors. Oh my god, tiny sword. I forgot I have this. Use that maybe. A bunch of pretty crystals. Pretty princess crystal things. Sorry, I was using headphones. What else? So, you need pliers to cut. Popsicle sticks for the base. What else? What else do we need? Do we need this? Nah. Why is that even a question? No. Do you think we should use these? I think we should use these for this one. Oh god. Crystals. Oh my god, these would be perfect actually. Sorry, stuck in my head. Why is there a bucket in here? Eh. Any other lemon cheddar here? Big crystals. Pearls. What else? Oh, thank you guys for helping. Yeah, I think that's all we need, really. What's this? I could use these. You want to use these, guys? Okay, maybe. Let's see. Okay, this is basically all our supplies. Let's set this up. Right? Okay, so paper. More paper. So all the paper colors you're gonna need. You don't need you're gonna need these. Chains, pliers to cut the chains, scissors to cut the paper, this to put away the chains, and this for the frame. Oh, you also need colors. Let me go get those. Alright, got my colors. Pencil case. Yeah. Colors. Bands. Look at all those colors. You like colors? Oh god, camera dirty. Okay, there you go. So yeah, focus. There you go. This is all stuff you need. I bought this Dollar Tree. These you could buy them at Dollar Tree. This, I don't know where to buy it. Don't ask me. I got the same place as I got that. Don't know where I got that again. Don't know where to get this. This. Don't know how to get it. Dollar Tree, and more Dollar Tree. Let me get the paper thing. Dollar Tree. Paper crafts. Delicious. And that's what this is. Buy this almost anywhere. Paper. Buy that. You probably should have some at home. Okay. I'm gonna get to building in 5 years. I'm so funny. This is all the stuff you need. So. Most of it's from Dollar Tree. You can order this stuff offline. Don't know where. Stuff I don't know where to get. Probably order offline. But yeah. Oh wait, is that? No, it's not. Probably gonna get. Yo, don't YouTube, have mercy on me. I was just trying to check if that showed where the stuff is from. Please don't copyright me. I'm just trying to show them what they need to make one of these beautiful creatures. YouTube, have mercy. Mercy. Oh my god, no. Oh, you can see the wood. Bye bye. Bye bye.